Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the color sensor to stop on a specific color, not on a reflection of a color. So we open up our program, we go down to the hardware page by clicking on the bottom right where it shows us all the sensors and motors. And now we're going to change our mode from reflected to color. And you notice now you get specific numbers rather than going up and down between 100. You have a 6 and a 1 and a 6. And a 5, and a 6, and then finally a 4. Let's go ahead and see now how that worked with different colors on the table. 6 is white. 1 is black. 6 is white. 5 is red. 6 is white, and 4 is yellow. Let's see if I can time it together with a split screen. It might be a little off because I'm not the best video editor. There's a 6 for white. Oh, we're a little bit ahead. There's the 1 for black. 6 again for white. There's the red for 5. 6 again for white. And finally the 4 for yellow. A little bit behind. Let's check out the programming. Same basic program. We're going to push the touch sensor to start, motors on, but now I change the color sensor to compare, instead of reflected light, compare color, and I choose the color I want, which is red, and then we stop our motors. Pause it here and copy it if you want. Let's see this in action now. Press the touch sensor on the back of the robot, and we want to stop on red. There you go.